So welcome to the new video, guys. Today we are making apple hazelnut caramel cake. For that we need 8 pieces of apple. Make sure wash them well and dry them well. Once they are well dried, make sure you remove the seeds of the apple and cut them into very thinly sliced pieces. Make sure they are very thinly sliced, and then add it into a water. Make sure the water is a little bit cold. You can add, if you want, you can add some ice in it and some lemon. Then take a food processor, add some hazelnut, grind them well. In one bowl, take 200 grams of butter with some brown sugar, around 100 grams or 125 grams of brown sugar. As per the taste, add some cinnamon in it. Make sure mix the mixture well. If it's too tough, you can put it into a microwave for a minute, and then add 3 egg yolks and salt just for the taste. Mix everything well and add 200 grams of flour. You can add a little bit more if you want to, but 200 grams is enough for this recipe. If you want to make a thick texture, put it more, 50 grams, that will be fine. Then add the hazelnut flour that we made in the mixture. Make sure entire mixture is well properly combined, and then put it separately. Don't put it in the fridge because that will make the texture more tough. Now the egg whites that we have, the 3 egg whites, we're gonna put brown sugar in that and whisk it properly until you get the thick texture. Make sure just whisk it well, or you can use a machine or a whisker for the texture to get thicker. Then add the paste of hazelnut and flour into the mixture and fold it very well. Fold it well until it becomes smooth, as you can see in this video. Make sure the mixture is smooth and then keep it aside. Now we're gonna make a caramel. For caramel, we need 50 grams of butter, a little bit of cinnamon as per the taste you want, and add around 200 grams of flour and 200 grams of sugar. Sugar, you can use any kind of sugar, maybe white sugar. You can use a brown sugar as well, but I'm using white because it gives a very good caramel. And make sure you boil the caramel very well until the texture is very smooth. And then we're gonna put this into a mold. Add pieces of apple on top of it. Make sure arrange everything well, and then add the mixture of hazelnut and flour on top. Then add more apple on the top. Make sure entire thing is covered with apple, and then on top of that add the mixture of the hazelnut and flour, and then it will go to the oven for 180 degrees Celsius for around 20 minutes. Make sure don't burn the caramel. You can use any kind of mold. After you take out the cake, make sure you ice it. You can do the icing by the powdered sugar on the top, and that's it. I think it looks pretty fine, and it will be very good for the Christmas dinners, or at the Christmas time if you want to make any nice sweets. This is a very easy and very good option. Thank you so much for watching this video, and Merry Christmas to everybody. Thank you so much, guys.